All right, quick one. We are going to go straight to the program because I don't want to waste so much of your time. Good morning to you. Welcome back to my channel. So please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. So Chinasa Woru dropped a video in his Radio Biafra. Is it BTV, whatever they call that radio? I don't know if somebody was interviewing him or but he said something. I don't care the source and anything, but Chinasa Woru, part of his broadcast or interview, he said something, and that is the same thing that many of us have heard from many of them. Questioning Mazangano, why don't you distance yourself from PM Simon Ekpa? And that question is the reason why I am here to react on that. So please join me as we go through it, listen and listen very, very attentively. Here we go. Here it is.
Please. That Mazen Namdekano, some people come on social media and say he's in prison, he's not talking anything, wait until he comes out. One thing, do they forget that he's giving a sentence, a longer life sentence? That if he wants to make some corrections, he can do it while he was there. Because he had all the opportunities. Mazen Namdekano had the opportunity when he's coming out in Kuje. He had all the opportunities. When he was coming out in the court, will anybody say that he didn't have chance to speak? From time to time, people don't know how he started speaking in the court. It was people that walked towards it thinking that he will use that opportunity to disassociate himself from what was happening. But instead, when he comes out from the court, he will threaten people. He will call some people to go for message, say, call Avid, call people. And I am asking every IPOB member who is a critical thinker, ask yourself, since Mazen Namdekano is coming out from the DSS custody coming to court, has he ever mentioned IPOB? Has he ever mentioned the leadership of IPOB openly? Has he ever said anything pertaining IPOB? If you have anyone, show me. Maybe I didn't know when that will happen. But he is free to come out. He talk about Avid, talk about raise money for him, that they will hyper him. He will greet some people. He never greet the IPOB members who are coming to the court before they're being threatened. He never tell them to continue to support for the freedom. He never mentioned IPOB members. The IPOB leadership tried all they can, telling him to disassociate with him from Simon Ekpa. We were mocked. The brothers, every one of them, do campaign, do broadcast for that. They call us all kinds of names. Every day Mazen Namdekano come out from court, they will mock us that the message we sent for him that Mazen Namdekano wala nyinala. It was all there. They're not seeing it.
All right, so let me just come in here because I want to make it snappy like I told you. This is a guy who cannot go in, like he don't want to be in prison for people to contribute money for him. Because they are making it look like Mazangano is enjoying in detention and he's disturbing them. He's bothering us. Ask them, let us just exchange so you'll be the one in the prison and people will be contributing money to you. They don't want it. They will never ever accept that. The same Mazangano that we want to say, oh, IPOB will contribute, IPOB should, that they are doing very well, they should contribute money. He never greeted them. Can you go in and people will be waiting for you outside to greet them? No. How is that an offense? And you don't ask yourself because you are not saying the truth. What he's trying to say here is the Mazangano should have used the opportunity to advertise them for more money to come. These are people that it's done on Mazangano that these guys don't respect him, they don't care about him. Do you understand? Do you know how many times he sent messages for them? He passed messages to them, they don't obey, they refuse to obey anyone. They are outside bearing leadership. This guy don't want his picture to come on social media. You don't want anybody to know him, but he's leading you. Leading you like what? He's not even in Bongo, but he don't want his picture to go anywhere. But Mazangano, whose picture and voice everything about him is outside, You are questioning him why he's not greeting you, that he's having free time, that he's free to come out. So if you know that Master can be free, then why are you afraid of even revealing your picture or broadcasting and address the people that you claim that they are dating you to a picture with your image? You don't do that. Do you understand? Now hear him.
Didn't they see it? We tried all we can to do what? For Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to disassociate himself from the criminality that was happening in Biafra land, because we believed in him. If there was something he was doing, he never opened his mouth and told us. Instead, he make a memo, give to one of the lawyers to publish that he banned us. He don't to talk about Simon Ekpa. And I can tell Biafrans, all those things he was being controlled. I don't want to say certain things. Some politicians, some governors, because they were bringing money to his family members, they told him, don't disassociate yourself with that guy. If you disassociate yourself, you are not going to come out. He maintained. When I was telling people here that Simon Ekpa was sent to infiltrate IPOB, most of you were talking nonsense. But I'm happy that today, those who went to visit him, some of you he's speaking to, he have told you the truth. He have told you how he brought in Simon Ekpa into IPOB because of money that was given through somebody who told him that he wants Simon Ekpa. He's bringing somebody to, he will bring Simon Ekpa to be part of the leadership. If not, they will not bring money. That is how he brought Simon Ekpa, want to impose it in the leadership. And today he's blaming us that we would have accepted Simon Ekpa and managed him. Had it been we manage him, he wouldn't have caused the problem that happened in Biafra land. That is his excuse. Some are saying, you don't send somebody to Sokoto. We have sent people to Sokoto through proxy, through many ways. Ask them the message they come back to.
So the thing is still somehow mysterious that it is easy for Southeast governors to support or Nigerian government to support for PM to be arrested and jailed, including them that are this guy now and the group. It is easy for them to say, okay, Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister, will be sent to prison, and they themselves are not in prison. Speaking of working with governors, Soludo made it publicly clear that you guys are working with him. They have never said anything like that to Simon. And if you said that, okay, now you know when I said that pineapple haircut woman, why is he punk? Always say that, always claim that Master Gano received money from government. Now you cannot hear the source of that statement. He's telling you that the government, Southeast governors and politicians instructed Master Gano that open up about Simon, that money will not come. Meaning what they are saying, telling you that is actually Southeast governors are the one funding Master Gano. And the same Southeast governors are the one that labeled him and the movement a terrorist group. And the same Southeast governors are the ones saying, oh, don't release him. They are funding him, oh, don't forget. I'm telling you that these people are a bunch of non-entities. You don't make sense at all. They are funding him, they labeled him terrorist organization. They are funding him, they worked hard to make sure that he's been arrested, that he is where he is today. They are funding him. They are the ones begging federal government, don't release him. But they are funding him though. If they are funding him, then they will stop funding him then. Then everything will collapse if it become a problem to them. Do you understand? It doesn't make any sense. And he said criminality. I have not seen anybody capture that the person said, yeah, someone else must command me to go and do this. He's the one funding me. Nobody. I'm yet to see that anybody saying the same thing with Master Nnamdi. This video may be long though, but I'm trying my best to make it snappy.
Most of you, if you hear the message Mazi Nnamdi gave to them, you will call me and tell me, Chinasa Nworu, Don't talk anything good about Mazen Namdekano. Don't even defend him any longer. Call people. There are people who have visited him. Call him, ask them, what is his message to us? We kept silent because of those who have died in this struggle. We continue to march on because this is a divine movement. No man born on a woman will stop the restoration of Biafra. Mazen Dewo.
Okay, you heard him, right? Good. Now, like I told you last time I checked, this is what happened.
Yes, sir.
So where are the camp? Tell us, where do you guys camp?
Our camp is there for back of that police station for Fafata, but how long now? Since 6 or 7 months, we don't have any camp now.
So why? Why not get camp?
Because of Iran. Police, they find me.
Okay, that is it. The way they kill that time. Your group, your men follow now. How will I kill them?
Yes, now my men will go Holland. The person will shoot the heads and a free man. Free man with the sky and the number 1.
But who they sponsor you? Owner?
Now China Samuru.
From where? Where are you from?
In that blood.
Where are you from?
Where are you
Which
from?
community
Where are you
from?
Me.
No,
Yes, the Chinasa.
China Samuru. Now I just know as a DOS commander.
Okay, so that is the same man that is telling you all these things that are committing crime. They are by the king here, Igbo land. But he's the one design that made it design. Simon Ekpa killed a lot of people in Igbo land. This is the picture of the video that I just played to you now. All right, he used AI and to bring tears in the eyes of PM and Mazonakan looking so sad and all that. This is what made them happy. The thing is that when it comes to practical terms, they are the one committing those things. The video we are just played to you now, somebody confessing, is not AI. It is something that happened real. And the only name mentioned there, you heard him very clearly. Now, it did not stop there. Remember, last time I made a video, I played a video of in-Exile, Canada, exposing this guy's involvement in building another armed group called Dead Man Squad. Now, this morning, he made a different video to remind our people the same thing again. Here it is.
Post made a post now. See now support ESN. Let me show you now, careful. New account go to here. The account go to here there now broad account to ESN. They authorized by Mazen Nandekano. Had here another different account. Then the logo of ESN high change gear. Agwa mono soon na Chinasa one kita we go dead men squad. Or yana or men here. Nda ne busisi ndi mad na Biafra land. And me play kwa on video. Ebe somebody send here ko je gbori mmadu. Ka Chinasa one kita je gbori mmadu. Ihe na unne kwa ni aya na egosi unu evidence. Iya afia na ka ngosi unu ya. Let me show you the ihe post na ihe post na ihe onye oshi post ogbu mmadu. Na ihe post. Na ihe post us no support ESN. Ifria support ESN with no different logo. Ihe abro logo ESN Mazen Nandekano. And the Chinasa one kita does in charge of ESN. Onwe di mbo in charge of ESN. Ihe obu before bu Errand boy na the line or wo hamboji wo commander ha. So kam go sizi unu ihe na eji we kwete na Chinasa wan kita na egbu ndị mmadụ na Biafra land. And I play go me a lot of evidence, but in character, let me show you another one again now. Don't support any ESN money. If you support any ESN for him, man in support ke wound in the buy na Biafra land. Oh, when dead men squad, I go from go soon video jima 2 days ago. Post through. Onye nke had the odi ka aje bueza. Emecheze jima chapter zie no tie na fake ESN ya no tie na dead we here no. If you are here can jima we be post go on the video can go soon.
That is the video that I just played to you now. The same lady. This is in Nigeria, Canada. Now, all this thing, I'm gonna allow her to play just a little bit, then I'll end the video because this video is about 14 minutes. We will come back on this video later.
Me go soon na. Chinasa wan kita wo ezigbote a killer. Onye nu ya no ni ebe anu anwa Chinasa wan kita two different voices. Two different voices only are whereby Chinasa one kita. I'm can analyze a man another one. Gezian on to no phone warrior, go warrior mother, ka on again. What Yoji? Agazie Madozi.
Yeah, but again, yes. No, and then I talk about governor.
Oh, and that chalk Abro governor, Nabia State.
Natural care.
Yeah, chalk Woha.
Yeah, but again, yes. No, and then I talk about governor state.
What Yoji?
Natural care.
No, and that chalk Abro
natural care. Nah, he's a killer. Now we know this. Yes. So I say, because you go through that, you might move for you with the year we're going to get such thing. The other hand, so I say I'm back. Way before nature. That's how okay. Below y'all.
I want to Oji. Gwara ya na onwe ndị ọ chọrọ ka Chinasa Nwankita gbuoro ha n'Abia steeti and na nwa Oji ahụ chọrọ ịwụ gọvanọ n'Abia steeti but onwe mmadụ ịtọ na-enye nwa Oji ahụ nsogbu achọghị ka ya wụrụ gọvanọ o wee kọntaktịzie Chinasa Nwankita na-agwa Chinasa Nwankita ka ha jee gbuoro ya onye ahụ then ndị anọ na underground ndị anọ background na-amụ amụ bụ ndị otu ya ọmụghọ na onwe nọ n'ime na-erekọdụ ihe ọ na-ekwu so wee sị na nwa Oji ahụ kọntaktịrị ya wee sị na onwe ọ chọrọ ka e gbuoro ya wee sị oke osi nya ịma sometimes mmadụ si bịa mee ihe imegodo log ahead nwe obere asị ifinicha họ ịmago mee mechazie ya sizie ya oke ole ndọ ngwa na-ege ntị ebe a ka ọ nọ na mecha nka ya play again na anụkwa ya ọ ji ya ke ndọ ya pụta again
ndị na-achọ ka ya bụrụ gọvanọ na steeti
ndị achọ ka ya bụ gọvanọ na steeti ọ chọrọ ka egbuo ha
Nah, he's a killer. Now we know this. Yes. So I say go through that. You might move for you with the year we're going to get such thing. The other hand below y'all.
Oju ole onyo.
This is with the picture like this. Bam. 7 years ago, and I'm a going I told you.
Nya begodu kwu eme ka iwe were ịma sometimes mmadụ gwa ụdị ha emegodu ka ha sị na ịchọghọ mechazisi oke ngwa gwazie nke onye oke ọ gwazie ya ọsị ya ngwa ya sendie picha ọ tụrụ ya picha mmadụ ịtọ na-ege anya ndị agha ya egbu
All right. I'm gonna end it here. When we come live, we are gonna do the play to the end because I don't want it to be too long. All right. The reason is just to prove to you that this is the people committing crime and they're the one calling someone Ekpa. Okay? I'm not saying that everything going on in our land is Chinasa Woru. Neither am I saying that everything going on in our land is government, like governors. People may wake up in the morning and begin to misbehave. But Chinasa Woru and the Udele, pointing finger at PM and Mazam Nagano, and because when you hear ESN, this is it. How many of them know that there's what called Dead Man Squad? All the atrocities is being leveled on Mazam Nagano and Simon Ekpa. That's why when we talk, understand what we are saying. Thank you so much. Please make sure you like the video and let me know what you think about it. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now.